There's something special about getting a new ride, and this one has truly changed the way I look at cycling. I recently got my hands on the E MOTORAD Doodle Pro e-cycle, and honestly, I'm thrilled every single time I ride it. What I love the most? It's not just electric, it's incredibly versatile. Switch to full manual mode and you've got 7 smooth gears that give you a seamless cycling experience. Whether you're cruising or picking up speed, it just feels right. And then comes the comfort. Those thick tires grip the road beautifully, giving you stability and confidence. The raised handlebar keeps you relaxed, making even longer rides feel effortless. But what really makes this e-cycle stand out is the presence it carries. With LED indicators, a compact yet powerful front headlight and sleek tail light, this ride is pretty safe even after sunset. You can feel it as you glide through the busy streets, smooth, silent and stylish. Now let's talk practicality. Charging is super convenient. You can plug it in directly where the cycle is parked, or simply remove the battery and charge it separately wherever you like. And the best part? It's foldable, which means you can easily carry it in your car or truck. Take it to the beach, to the hills or anywhere your journey takes you. It takes up to 4 hours to get fully charged and runs for about 45 kilometers on full battery mode, and if you're cycling along, probably 60 kilometers. It's not just about reaching your destination anymore. It's about enjoying every moment along the way. For me, this isn't just an e-cycle. It's become a part of my lifestyle. E MOTORAD Doodle Pro. That's what it's called.